Hi, welcome to the market alert for Thursday, the 26th of October 2023. So nukes and pukes, bullion, black gold and Bitcoin jumps as bonds and big tech dump. Bonds and big tech battered. S&P breaks key technicals, which we'll look at in just a moment. Google weighs on stocks amid Gaza invasion momentum and the dismal UST auction. So again, more bad news, and obviously the calmness that we saw the other day is now turned back to escalation in the Middle East. Economic news for today. We get nothing until 1:15 p.m, which is the European refinancing rate, interest rates, which are set to remain the same according to this news. We then got monetary policy and advanced GDP, unemployment claims, advanced GDP price index, durable goods orders month on month, and ECB press conference. So Lagarde's out later, 1:45. 2 p.m, FOMC, Waller is speaking, and pending home sales out at 3 p.m. So let's have a look at the markets for yesterday, kick off with the Dow, and see what they are likely to do today. So in the Dow, you can see this weakness. We reversed Tuesday's gains yesterday, the market down at the 89% retracement overnight. We've still got this climatic volume here. They're trying to hold the market in this area, but a close below these green lines here will see the market move lower. We'll see more of that in the S&P in just a moment. Market up initially, then we sold off, and then we came back. We're getting a lot of whipsaw action when the Dow cash opens in an afternoon, and then it was back down again. So an interesting pattern there for the Dow yesterday. We're already below yesterday's low as well. Is it going to be a resistance? Is the market going to be able to actually get back above that low and start moving back to the upside? But certainly in the daily charts, the markets are starting to look weak. We've had a bit of a bounce, and now we're sort of heading back down to retest those lows. In the German DAX, similar picture, market down, but we're holding quite well at the moment. 62% is where the market's finding support. Not too close to these lows that we've got here. Let's just have a look and mark this one up, just so that we've got it on the cards there. Let me just drag this across. We can see that 14,626, I think it is, isn't it? Let me just double check that. Yep. So watch out for that number. We're below yesterday's low again as well, or we have been below it. We're just sitting back above it at the moment. Again, it's showing support at the moment. Depends if the market breaks it early on or we start to move back to the upside. Yesterday, choppy in the DAX as well, became sideways, then moved up, then moved down with the Dow, and then moved back up, and then moved back down. So a lot of volatility around, obviously reacting to the news that's being released with regards to the Middle East. In the S&P 500, technicals broken, 4201 is broken. We have to go to the weekly chart to have a look at this, and we're down at 89% from there to there at the moment. So that's 4158. Market needs to hold at this particular level. Needs to get back above the 4201 as well, but at the moment it's looking like it's going to move slightly lower. Again, yesterday market down, then cash market opened back up, but didn't recover like the Dow and continued to move lower. So we're taking the low out as well overnight. So again, interesting to see when the DAX futures opens at 7 a.m. if the market can manage a bit of a rally there. In the FT100, the market also again showing a bit of weakness there. I don't think we've traded below, and if we have traded below the overnight low, yesterday's low, it'll only be a small amount. Yeah, we've tested it. So we've tested the low, we're oversold, and we've managed to move the market back a bit. Yesterday morning, market down, again following the Dow in the afternoon, then sideways, and then gapping down overnight. So there's a chance that gap could be filled just there. So that will be an interesting one to keep an eye on also. In the US dollar market, continuing to move up back above the 20 bar moving average. I thought they would attempt to do this. This is putting pressure on the metals, which we'll look at before finishing. So in the metals, down for 3 days and up overnight at the moment. So again, that same pattern emerging. Yesterday down, then we've got the news and the London fix straight down to Tuesday's low. Market brought back in Asia, and I suspect that we'll just see exactly this, as we usually do once the European markets open. Gold also moving higher, stronger on obviously the geopolitical situation at the moment. And in the 30-minute chart, again, London fix and news back up above yesterday's high, or trading just above yesterday's high at the moment, which is going to see the gold-silver ratio moving to the upside. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened yesterday. A bit of a slowdown on the overnight, but like I say, this is going to go back up to the 90 range. So again, we'll see what happens during today. A lot of news from 1:15, nothing for this morning. Market will make its own direction. Watch the lows of all of these markets, see if they can bring it back, and if we break below, then you can expect an acceleration to the downside. Okay, that's it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.